Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about group by statement and what does this group by statement do. So we can see that basically group by statement means to group rows into summarized rows. That means you have multiple things of multiple rows with the same thing. Let's say there are multiple people from the same country. We can group them up in a single row, which is, let's say if they all are from Canada, we can group them as Canada. I'll show you an example how it's done. So we have this table, and as you know, there is rows and columns. Just think about an Excel sheet. So in this row we have ID, name, country. So ID can be 1, name can be Jack, country can be US. 2 is Jim, country is Canada. 3 is Ravi from India. 4 is Jill from US. So what group by statement can do is these and this can be these two rows. This USA and this USA can be grouped together in a summarized row. So we don't have to see this twice if you want to do that. So it will be more clear when I work in SQL, so please stay. Now let's get it started. And I forgot to mention this, but I will add this here. Group by usually goes with aggregate function a lot. So what is aggregate function? Aggregate function is, for example, count, max, min, average, etc. So these are aggregate function. I will come into this in next video, but just think about it. It's basically mathematical calculations. Now what we're gonna do is select star from data science schema means blueprint of the database, company, regions. You can look at this. It has 3 columns: ID, region name, and country name. So what we're gonna do is execute this, and you will see a result 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and region name is this and country name is this. So what we're gonna find out by using group by is we'll try to find out how many times USA or Canada has been mentioned in this table. We'll basically summarize this row and count how many times it has occurred in the row, and you'll get a proper understanding of group by, how it works. So select count star, and then country name. We want to return a column which is count column, and another column which is country name, from data sign company regions. And we'll now do group by. We'll do group by country name. See, so there are 4 USA and 3 Canada. So basically it summarizes all the rows and give a result. So that is group by. Now I'm going to talk about in my next video is aggregate function and having. So it will go hand in hand, and you'll have more proper understanding about this. Since this is a beginning course, I didn't go in more depth, because we can go in more depth by group by. I just wanted to give you a concept of group by, how it works. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and please do like this video and subscribe and comment on this video if you have any question. I'll try to make another video if you have any question like that. Thank you.